Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to clean your mouse if you have a scroll problem. In my case, my old mouse is getting worse and worse. The scroll is slowing down and not responsive, so we will clean it. This is an older Logitech wireless mouse, and to open it, basically there are some tricks. You have to remove these pads with a flat screwdriver. Like this. Mine is prepared. There are two screws. Another two is under the battery holder. And the tricky way to show them up is to pull the sticker out. So for the cleaning it's better to have the compressed air prepared. For example, something like this. But it's not necessary. You can clean it by other methods as well. For the screwdriver there is a hint. As you see, my screwdriver is magnetic. You have a much easier life with this. You can make it easily with a strong magnet. Magnetizing your screwdriver. It's just a small hint, and it's much easier to work with screws in small and not easily accessible holes. So this is my mouse, and this is the dust collected on the wheel. We will remove it. There is a fifth screw there. It's also holding the piece. Yeah, and we have to clean this. So here is my mouse disassembled. So you can see this is the scroll wheel that I screwed out with a lot of dirt collected in it. And what is a bigger problem, that the dirt is also collected between the photo cells and is sensing the wheel rotation, so it's mandatory to have clean surface on them and area between them. So if we disassemble the mouse, short discovering, short explore on the PCB, this is the left, this is the right mouse button, this is the middle, the scroll middle push button, this is the mouse wheel left, mouse wheel right when it's assembled. So it works like this. Here's the radio module. As this is a quite old mouse, a few years old, and it works on 27 MHz, so it needs quite long antenna here. And on the bottom side here is the sensor, optical sensor for the movement of the mouse, and also two buttons for the power and the reset button on the bottom of the mouse. So that's all. You have to clean the dust everywhere, remove the dust. It's a little bit easier if we remove the connectors. So remove the dust from the PCB and from the wheel, and we'll be back. And otherwise, it's strongly recommended to place all your screws in a small container to not to lose them. You can ease your life with this. Okay, to be back. And I'm using the compressed air to clean the wheel. Everything clean and nice. One more thing that I completely disassembled the wheel. It's advised to do. And take care, because inside you may hear the clicking noise. There's a small ball stopping the wheel from free run, and you have to disassemble this also, because dust is collected inside as well, which I removed already. But take care, this is a small ball inside. There is a small ball, so it will go away. And here's our small ball. Here's a spring which is pushing the ball against the wheel internal wall. This makes the clicking noise, and this stopping the wheel from free run. And to assembling this is a little bit tricky. Here's the spring. Yep. Let's see it second time. Anyway, you can remove the ball as well, because someone don't like to use it. Yeah, it's in. So now we have to disassemble the wheel. As you can see, there is a bigger and a smaller hole. This helps you for the orientation during the assembly. And take care, examine your PCB, not to let any water drops or something like that, or dust on it, because water can damage your PCB if you use it for the cleaning. Put together the connectors, and now first I have to move it back to its place. You don't have to fully disassemble your mouse. I made it just to show you the parts. This is the battery holder. Let's try to pull this back. This way. what happens with my wheel. It's really nice. So it's responsive again. It works as it needs to be. So, thanks for watching.